About synthetic pot, health officials say a chemical found in the product is causing severe bleeding and even death, and there are reported cases in our community. History's Madalyn O'Neill is here with more. Madalyn?
Eric, synthetic cannabinoids go under a number of names such as spice or fake weed and can be found across the U.S., sometimes in convenience stores. The first reports of the products being linked to bleeding come from Illinois, where there are 126 cases, including 3 deaths. And now the outbreak is being seen here in Wisconsin.
We don't know the health effects of these chemicals.
It goes by Spice, K2, Scooby Snacks, and many more.
We're really not talking about one chemical. We're talking about hundreds of different chemicals.
People really don't know what they're getting.
These different products, commonly known as synthetic marijuana, may not take after their namesake.
The worry is that there's this false sense of security because marijuana is in the name, that's what they're getting, and really it's something quite different.
Emergency Department Dr. Brian Patterson says with a wide category of products, some give users similar effects to marijuana and some don't.
They come in very agitated, sometimes seeing and hearing things that aren't there, and some pretty scary symptoms that they weren't expecting.
The latest scary symptom is irregular bleeding.
Bleeding around the gums or blood in the urine,
which can turn deadly.
Certainly.
Patterson explains a batch of synthetic pot has a blood-thinning chemical.
We are seeing it in the area.
Which, without treatment, could cause life-threatening bleeding from minor injuries.
The chemical is essentially a rat poison, and we're not sure why it's in there or how it got there.
Dr. John Myman, Chief Medical Officer with the Wisconsin Division of Public Health, says there are 4 reports of synthetic marijuana causing bleeding in the state. And officials are investigating, looking to prevent additional cases.
Only time will tell.
With so much unknown about synthetic marijuana,
Sometimes those effects are unpredictable.
Myman does know the best bet is to stay away.
Encourage people to avoid them, especially so given that these cases of severe bleeding.
Those with irregular bleeding after using those products should go to the emergency room. There is a treatment. And you may wonder how people get a hold of these drugs. While certain types of synthetic pot are illegal in Wisconsin, the Attorney General's office explains the formula for the products changes more quickly than lawmakers can outlaw it. Still, the DOJ is cracking down. Eric.
All right, Maddie, thank you very much.